I'm Kerri Hudson, here with your Williamson County Parks and Recreation update. We are now accepting applications for temporary seasonal summer jobs. Williamson County Parks and Recreation offers a fun working environment and can provide an excellent opportunity for real-life experience. Several temporary part-time positions are available at recreation centers throughout Williamson County. Available positions include lifeguards with proper certification required, splash park attendants, and pool cashiers. Some age restrictions do apply, and individuals must be at least 15 years old to apply for summer employment. Positions are available at the Franklin Recreation Complex, the Fairview Recreation Complex, the Indoor Sports Complex in Brentwood, the Longview Recreation Center at Spring Hill, and the Williamson County Recreation Complex at Nolensville. To review a list of job descriptions and apply, visit our website at wcparksandrec.com. While there, you can also get additional information on our lifeguard training courses, other department programs and activities, plus updates on facility amenities and operations. Thanks, guys, for tuning into this Parks and Rec update. Until next time, stay safe and keep playing.